Beavers are fascinating creatures, known for their engineering prowess and their role in shaping ecosystems. Let's delve into the world of these hardworking rodents and uncover some fascinating facts. Beavers are semi-aquatic mammals, primarily found in North America and parts of Eurasia. They are recognized by their wide, flat tail, webbed hind feet, and their large incisors, which never stop growing. The primary reason beavers are renowned for their engineering skills is their ability to build dams. Beavers construct dams to create a peaceful, deep-water habitat for themselves, often transforming swift-flowing streams into tranquil ponds. The process begins when a beaver selects a suitable location, typically near a stream with a gentle slope. They fell trees using their powerful incisors, carrying the logs to the chosen site with their broad tails. Once at the site, the beaver begins stacking the logs in a zigzag pattern. This design helps the dam withstand the river's current, providing stability and preventing it from collapsing. As the dam grows, the beaver creates a pond, which offers a safe and secure home for itself and its family. Beavers also create lodges from branches and mud within their ponds. These lodges serve as their home, providing protection from predators and extreme weather conditions. Beaver dams offer numerous benefits to the environment. They help prevent soil erosion, reduce flooding, and create habitats for various plant and animal species. Wetlands created by beaver dams also act as natural water filtration systems, improving water quality. The impact of beavers on the environment is so significant that they are often referred to as ecosystem engineers. Their construction activities reshape landscapes, creating complex and diverse ecosystems that benefit a wide range of organisms. Despite their importance, beavers face numerous threats, including habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these remarkable engineers and the vital ecosystems they create. Next time you encounter a beaver dam, remember the amazing engineering prowess of these hardworking rodents and the profound impact they have on our environment. Beavers may seem simple creatures, but their actions have far-reaching consequences, making them true masters of their domain.